Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share how to make millet powder or millet flour. Millet powder can be used for bakings, and if you're a Nigerian or some parts of Africa, you can use it for fufu, swallow. You can also use this to make your ogi, your pap, your akamo. So let's get started. So here I have some millet grain. I have about 2 kg of millet here. This millet is very dusty and dirty, so we're going to wash this thoroughly.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze.
Once you pour it water, the bad ones will separate to the top, but mind you, the stones will also settle at the bottom. So while you scoop the top ones, the chaff or the bad ones out from the top, also find a way to remove the stones and the sand that will settle at the bottom.
Chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
Using a sieve like this will work faster than using my hand. So
Warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen.
I have to take this to the sink so that I can wash and rinse it very well. And here we have it. So the next thing I'll do now is to pour it water to the top and then cover it, allow it to rest till the next day. I'm making this at night, so I'll pour it water now and leave it overnight.
Where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano side.
And this is the next day. Fermentation has taken place, so I'll go ahead again, rinse this 1 or 2 or 3 more times, then we go to the next step.
Golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
So after rinsing the millet, I transferred into a sieve or basket to allow it to drain water before transferring into the tray for drying. So here I have them in the trays. You can sun dry this, you can air dry this. I just left it on my table here, and the whole thing was well dried. The second day, yeah, I dried it for 2 days under fan. I left it under fan, so it was dried. It was dried the next day, but I just left it for about 2 days to dry so that there won't be any moist after grinding it. So the next we're going to do is to grind this into powder or flour. So after this, we'll have our millet flour. Yeah.
Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
I'll grind and sieve the millet batch by batch until I'm done grinding and sieving all of them. You can also take this to the dry mill where they can grind all at once with a bigger machine. So for this how I'm doing mine, because it's not that big, it's not that much, so I can do this at home.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly, each corner dish, each key a spice, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano.
And this is all the chaff I got after sieving the millet. I'm going to grind this again and sieve, grind and sieve until I have little or no chaff at all.
Stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound.
And this is the chaff we have remaining, so I'm going to leave that one like that. And here we have our millet powder or millet flour. Millet has a lot of health benefits. I'm going to read that out for you. Millet offers significant health benefits, acting as a gluten-free, nutrient-rich grain that improves heart health, aids digestion, helps manage weight, and supports bone density. It is rich in fiber, protein, essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, and antioxidants, which help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and protect against cellular damage. So you need to add millet to your diet. Yes, millet has lots of benefits. My grinder did a good job with the grind. It's very smooth. I'm going to leave this here to cool down. When it cools down very well, I'll then store it in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Me, I enjoyed making it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Your kitchen where joy is found.